Hi everyone! Today's recipe is one of the simple recipes. It's easy to make with only 4 ingredients. For this cake you'll need apples, eggs, flour and sugar. I'll start to chop 5-6 middle-sized apples. Start by cutting the apple in half, remove the core with diagonal cut and chop the apple into quarters. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare the mixing bowl. Add eggs and half cup of sugar. Now I'm gonna beat the eggs and the sugar together in the mixing bowl until everything dissolves. Now I'm gonna mix 1 cup of flour. Continue whisk together for 3 minutes. Now I add diced apples and mix again. Next step, to prepare a baking tray and parchment paper. Rub the butter over the baking surface. Put everything on the tray. Spread eventually over the entire surface and bake for 30-40 minutes until the top will golden brown. Now apple cake is ready. And the final step, you will need to prepare a sprinkle powdered sugar and cut the apple cake. Transfer to serving platter. When ready to serve, dust the apple cake with the powdered sugar and serve warm. This cake is perfect for any occasion. It's really simple and healthy cake, and I really urge you to try this. Thanks for watching, and find the full written recipe in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe, smash a like button, follow, and I will share new simple food recipe with you.